Hi, today we are going to see how to use Instagram Reels. First of all, go to Instagram. After that, go to upper right plus option. Then you can find Reel. Here you can make your own reel. From here you can add music. Also you can set the duration. How long do you want to do the reel? You can set the speed. Then you can set the video. Then you can set the video layout by using effect. After that, here you can set the timer, also how many time will be countdown. In the up middle you can see the flash option. After clicking a effect, I am suppose using this. After clicking on this, it will be recorded. So here is your reel. You can add music, add voice, or download it, or add sticker, add effect. From here it will be recorded. After that, clicking on next. From here you can also set the reels or write a caption, crop profile image, tag people, rename audio, add location, recommend to Facebook, and share. Also save the draft. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.